Designers, in this video I'll show you how to save half a decade and increase your seniority fast. And trust me, being a junior sucks. It's the hardest, loneliest time in your career in every way. But wait, we're launching a revolutionary mentorship program and it's gonna change your life. As a thank you gift for watching this video, we're even gonna give you an awesome bonus, which is gonna be more than a Figma file, but less than a job opportunity at Apple. But before that, I'm gonna tell you how to differentiate yourself from others, what to expect from this course, and how to increase your seniority from junior to mid-level in just 3 months. There are thousands of designers who compete with you. The lower the level you are on, more competitors you have. And that's why you need to stand out from others when applying for job opportunities. I know this sounds risky, but look at what other people spend their time learning and learn something else. See those rookies learning Figma tricks all day? See this guy doing a dribble challenge? The fact is, all this is bullshit. Of course you need Figma, of course you need dribble, but it took me half a decade to understand that actually they are not that important. If you take conventional path, you're gonna get common results. But I think you're here because you're different. You want to achieve results fast.
But the question is, what should you learn? Is there a shortcut to higher seniority?
Let's be real. It's tough and it takes time. If you're trying to learn 100 things and discover that 80 of them are a waste, imagine how much time you're losing by not focusing on the other 20. You'd get there 5 times faster if you cherry-picked. The tricky part is cherry-picking, because if you're a junior, you probably cannot judge, nor can you trust some random guy on advice. And that's exactly why majority of people take the safe route. But at this point, I think we've said that you're not trying to be majority, right? By the way, here's the twist. We figured out the way to cut corners without any risk. Zero. It took us years to figure this out and we'll tell you in this video. So even though cat TikToks are way more fun to watch, try to pay close attention. And I promise you will get some answers. I give myself permission to say that, because we have already helped hundreds of designers.
101 Spot Mentorship Program honestly just changed my life.
I transitioned from a junior to a mid-level designer, tripling my salary.
I filled in my portfolio like crazy. This course is amazing.
In just 2 months, my portfolio shone. I couldn't thank them more.
I'll be honest, we're not the best designers in the world, but you're gonna get tremendous amount of care and attention compared to anyone else. We've got a personal interest in you, and here's why.
When I was junior, I did not have a mentor who truly cared about me. The team really never told me if my designs was good or bad. That's why it took me 3 years to move up to mid-level. No feedback equals no fast growth. Later, I worked with different companies, ranging from banks to cool unicorn startups. Before starting this mentorship, I was working in biggest bank. We have gained an award for best mobile banking experience in Europe. I led the design process in the biggest gamification in the mobile banking, and the results was amazing. We have even created the biggest design system in the region, and it was for a bank. Crazy, right? Even though I felt great working there, I got 5 times the average salary, bonuses, challenges, everything. There was something missing. Whenever I encountered a junior designer, I saw myself 6 years ago. I realized how many juniors struggle like I did. And that's why I decided to create this mentorship program. I want to give you a cheat code and I want to see you succeed. Because in the end, we are a community that solves the design problems. A stronger community means better designs and more exciting challenges.
I have a very similar story. Right after I dropped out from college, I have been validating that action. I believe there's a more effective way than formal education, and it's my personal mission to find it. And that's why I'm spending my time teaching both for free and for a fee.
Can you imagine if you could save 3 years of your career and in just 3 months got to mid-level?
What if you could find a better company and not apply as a junior, but already on a mid-level position?
What if you could know exactly what you learn? Would it help you if you get detailed feedback every time you design something?
My fellow designers, this is the time when imagination becomes reality. We've created a service for junior designers to bring them to mid-level in just 3 months. During this time, you're gonna get every kind of support that you can think of. Service contains 3 main courses, mentorship program, and so much more.
As you know, designers do a lot of things intuitively, subjectively. They have done it 1,000 times and it's in their second nature. But they miss the why. They are not sure why some things work and others don't. Now, to cut the time of designing 1,000 things, we give you a mid-level theory course. We value it at $900. Fraction of what it actually costs to organize our knowledge in this simple, easy to digest way. You're gonna learn all the essentials with video lecture, reading materials, practical checklists, and the templates. This is all you ever need for design theory. Nothing more, nothing less.
But of course, we know theory isn't enough. And as I mentioned earlier, we're giving you everything that you'll ever need to reach mid-level seniority. That's exactly why we've thrown in Practice Bootcamp. You're gonna get effective, hand-picked challenges and practices based on our experience and those of our friends. Every challenge is there for a reason, since they yield significant results. It took us years to figure out what worked the best, and additional 6 months to put our theories to the test. We didn't just want to tell you what to do without making sure that you'd see results. You're gonna get $1,500 worth of value, and it contains templates, checklists, video exercises, feedback, and even more.
But who cares about all the skills if you can't monetize them? There is nothing worse than thinking you deserve better salary because your skill set goes up and salary did not follow. That's why we are including a job seeker guide to give you guidance about either how to get a job as a mid-level designer or how to change position in your current company. Combined, me and Georgi worked for 20 companies. While working for each one of them, we always became the most valuable player. Therefore, got highest salary before we changed the jobs. There are hundreds of designers who have asked us advice for their career, and our advice always made them twice the money. We think a fair price for a job seeker guide would be $1,700. But don't worry, you will get better offer in a second.
Let's recap a bit. In this mentorship, you get 3 main programs. Mid-level theory to differentiate yourself from other mid-level and even senior designers, and to understand why some things work and others don't. Valued at $900. Practice Bootcamp to develop skills necessary for mid-level jobs, with templates, checklists, and tested video practices to make your design process smoother. Valued at $1,500. Job Seeker's Guide to monetize what you learned and get actual financial results, containing every advice we would give our own girlfriends. Hell, we will even have a dummy interview for you to help you master the hiring process. A fair price for Job Seeker's Guide would be $1,700.
Only 50 designers will be able to study this program. This is the only way you will get quality mentorship that allows you 10x growth. You're gonna get so much one-on-one coaching and personal care. Honestly, we won't be able to provide for more people.
But wait, there is one more thing included, and it's free of charge. You're gonna get an awesome bonuses bundle called Agents Arsenal. They contain one-on-one weekly checkups so that you get feedback person to person, and will help you with any issue regarding the course or career in general. A strategy call in first 24 hours of making a purchase to sit down with you and analyze your current state and your goals. Discord channel for networking, feedback, and additional resources. The only Figma library you will ever need, with beautifully designed and structured components. Take them in every project and never start projects from the scratch. And lastly, our 20 job opportunities, our hand-picked companies that we're working with to give yourselves as leads. And trust me, they can't wait to have an interview with you. As a limited time bonus, you're gonna get lectures specifically for e-commerce websites, a chapter in mid-level theory course that will be available for those who sign up this year.
We value Agents Arsenal bonus bundle at $1,000. But don't worry, again, we're not gonna charge you on that, even though it would be very fair price to sell.
Even though we provide more than $5,000 worth of value and could easily charge that, you are gonna get it for half the price at $2,487 or 3 payments of $987. And remember when I said it was risk-free at the beginning of the video? We've got a no questions asked 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you don't like the program, we simply give your money back. And that, my friends, is how much we believe in this product. You have literally zero risk having business with us. Hell, you can even test the product this way.
But wait, remember the gift? Better than Figma file, less than a job opportunity in Apple. We are gonna review your portfolio absolutely for free. Check the link in the bio, send portfolio and get feedback from us in whatever format you desire. We can have a call if you want, or we can send an email with a guide how to make it better. But even then, we are so used to over-delivering, we might even have another surprise after the review.